Hello and welcome back to Word Processing Demonstration Review number 3. In the previous video we went through steps 1 through 3 and now we'll pick up on step number 4. This review started on page 169 of your textbook and here we are with step 4. Make sure you're looking at your table. It should be on the second page of your document and select the table. You can select the table with one mouse click by clicking the item on the upper left-hand corner of your table. I call that the table handle myself. One left click and your entire table should appear as though it has been selected. Then, moving to the Table Tools and Layout tab, you should see a sort command in the data group on the right-hand side of your ribbon. Left click that. You'll get a dialog box, and the first thing you want to change at this point is the fact that this table has a header row. Please look to the bottom left hand corner where it says header row and check that or click that radio button. Everything else is fine. All of the other selections by Microsoft are fine. Leave the defaults as they are and left click OK. Now, if your table did not sort itself properly, please double and triple check the spelling of the month names you put in column 1. Item 5. Item 5, we're going to insert in the appropriate location a new row. Since this data is sorted, I'm going to select as an example the row with March 3rd in it, and then in the ribbon up above where it says Insert Above, left click that item and you should see a new row above it. You could just as easily have clicked on the January 16th row and then clicked Insert Below command and the outcome would have been the same. Type in the data as shown in the book, February 23rd, and it's Word Processing. Okay, and then the next item, item 6, delete the social media row. All you have to do there is left click the word social media and then up in the ribbon look at the rows and columns and click delete and then delete the entire row. Delete the row. Don't just delete one cell. That could be an awkward result. Item 7. Modify the widths of both columns to accommodate the widest entry. I think it makes it a little more aesthetically pleasing by just leaving a more white space, and here's how you do it. Move your pointer so that you have a vertical bar and 2 arrows pointing east and west to the left and right. Left click when you see that, hold it down and move to the left. Then go to the right edge of the table, look for those arrows pointing east and west, left click and hold and drag your mouse to the left. And you should have an aesthetically pleasing table. That's item 7. Item 8, we're going to apply the grid table for a Accent 1 style. The styles for the table are on the Table Design tab. In the Table Styles group, using the More button, you'll get to see more table styles. Now the grid table for Accent 1 style, if you hover your mouse over the top of it, has one blue bar at the top. Mine happens to be several rows down, and it's the left column, one column in from the left. Left click that, Accent 4, grid table 4. Left click. Okay, at the top, make sure that on the ribbon we click on first column so that the first column is not in bold. We're going to take a pause here for item 8 and move to item 9 in the next video. Item 9 will be in the next video. Before you leave, go ahead and save your work.